required when crafting.
Hello, collectors and crafters! If you're like me, you probably have tons of unused pens and pencils just hanging around your house. So I'm going to show you how to turn these pencils into these cute pencils, and these pens into these cute and fun pens, using items that are fairly easy to find around the house. Let's start with the pencils. First, you're going to take your pencils and sand them down with some sandpaper until they look like this. You can also do this by using a high grit nail file, but the best kind of pencils are the ones that just peel right off. Now we're going to take our first pencil and paint it using some multi-surface acrylic paint. I'm using the color Rich Lilac by Craft Smart. Then you'll need some tiny stickers. These Hair-Dorables stickers work perfectly, and you're going to stick these all over your pencil until it's covered. You may need to use some stick glue to keep the stickers from falling off the pencil. But once your pencil is thoroughly covered, you can take some clear nail polish and start covering your pencil in a clear coat. You may want to repeat this process a few times to keep the stickers from coming off of the pencil. Moving on to our second pencil, I really like the look of the wood grain on this pencil. So I'm going to take some sheer pink nail polish and lightly coat my second pencil. Then I grab some more small stickers. This time I'm using LOL Surprise Hair Goals stickers and thoroughly cover my pencil. Next, I grab some glittery nail polish and cover my pencil in a layer of glitter, topping this off with some more clear nail polish. And for our third pencil, we'll keep it really simple. I'm just taking some more multi-surface acrylic paint, this one in the color Native Turquoise, and giving my pencil a solid coat. Then I grab some Mod Podge and some iridescent glitter and start coating my pencil with the Mod Podge and just completely dousing it in glitter. And when they're all finished, I have 3 really awesome looking pencils. One that's covered in Hair-Dorables stickers, one that's covered in glitter, and the third that's covered in LOL stickers and glitter. That one's my favorite. Now we can move on to our pens. We'll start with our red pen because it's the simplest design. First, we grab a Sharpie and mark each end of the pen where the cap sits. Then we'll grab some Mod Podge and cover the pen cap and the pen up to the black lines and glitterize them until they look something like this. Now we'll grab our black pen, which we've already marked with a Sharpie, take some holographic duct tape, which we'll cut into one long skinny strip, and start taping it up and around our pen, repeating this process around the cap, but ending right before we get to the top. So we can take these little fuzzy pom-poms or shoe charms that I found at a garage sale for 50 cents, but they don't have to be shoe charms. You can find little fuzzy pom-poms like these at any craft store. And we're just gonna hot glue the tip of our cap and stick our little pom-pom on there. Then repeat for our red pen. And since these have these little rings on them, I decided to add some little jewelry charms. And for our last pen, we'll grab some scrap yarn and tape down 3 strands to a table or a book and start braiding until you have a braid that's 7.5 inches long. Then hot glue one end of your cap and stick down one of the ends of the braid. Then you start wrapping more yarn around your cap, gluing as you go and cutting it off when you get to the top. Then you're going to take your pen and add some hot glue just below your line and place on the other end of your braid. Then just repeat the process of wrapping your yarn around your pen until you get to the other line. Now you should have a completely yarn wrapped pen with a braid that connects the pen to the cap and gives it a little handle to carry it with. To finish this project off, we're going to take some more yarn and wrap it around our 2 fingers until you have a thick amount of yarn around your fingers. Now slowly take the yarn off of your fingers, trying to keep it together as much as possible. Then cut another little strip of yarn, wrap it around your other yarn, and tie it in a very tight knot. Then you'll want to take your scissors and cut all of the loops of your yarn. This will create a little pom-pom, which you'll want to trim down so it's all nice and even, and then add some hot glue and stick it on the cap of your pen. And that's it. The pen is done. Doesn't it kind of look like a little troll's pen? And with its little pom-pom, it fits in nicely with our other pens we made. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and I really hope you make some of these pens and pencils. If you do, make sure to tag me on TikTok or Instagram at Collect and Craft. Also, make sure to subscribe, give the video a like, leave a little comment down below. I love reading your guys' comments. And share this video with your friends. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.